Dear learners, how are you feeling today? Hope feeling good and doing well. Come on, let us discuss about knowing our numbers part 4 in connection with previous video. Grade 6 Mathematics. In this video, we are going to discuss about usage of brackets. Bodmer's rule. There is Bodmer's rule. B stands for brackets, O stands for of, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Together we see Bodmer's rule. First we have to use brackets and of, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. Solve 3 into 5 plus 12 divided by 3. First bracket 1. 3 into 5, 15. 12 divided by 3 is 4. When you add, you get 19. Hope you understand. First bracket we are solving. 3 into 5 is 15. Then bracket inside the bracket 12 divided by 3 is 4. Then we add it. The same way another question you see. 3 into 5 times 4 divided by 2 plus 12 minus 3. Inside the bracket you solve first. Inside the bracket. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. 12 minus 3 is 9. Okay. Then 5 into 2. 5, no, the symbol is there, means 5 into 2. 5 into 2 is 10. Then multiply again. 3 into 10, 30. 30 plus 9, 39. The same way here. 8 divided by 5 of 2 plus 12 plus 3. First, inside the bracket you solve. 12 plus 3 is 15. Then of 5 into 2. Of means into. 5 into 2 is 10. Then 80 divided by 10 is 8. 8 plus 15, 23. Hope you understand how we are proceeding. Next you see expanding brackets. We have to expand the bracket and proceed. 7 into 109. 109 we expand as 100 plus 9. Multiply 7 into 100, 700. 7 into 9, 63. Total 763. One easy way of multiplication we can say this. Okay, expanding bracket. See 17 into 109. First expand 17. 10 plus 7. So 10 into 109 plus 7 into 109. Now 109 expand. 100 plus 9. So 10 into 100 plus 10 into 9, 7 into 100 plus 7 into 9. What we get? 1000 plus 90 plus 700 plus 63. Total we get answer. Next we are going to see Roman numerals. I stand for 1, V stand for 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50, C stands for 100, D stands for 500, M stands for 1000. Okay, these are Roman numerals. Letter C stands for 100. Letter D stands for 500. Okay, then you need to remember. Here some rules we need to see. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of the symbol of the greater value, its value gets added to the value of the greater symbol. See, VI means 5 plus 1, 6. XII, 10 plus 2, 12. LXV, 50 plus 10 plus 5. Something so on. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of a symbol of greater value, its value is subtracted from the value of the greater symbol. So IV, 5 minus 1, 4. IX, 10 minus 1, 9. XL, 50 minus 10, 40. XC, 100 minus 10, 90. And so on. The symbol V, L and D are never written to the left of a small symbol of greater value. Left of a symbol of greater value. V, L and D are never subtracted. The symbol I can be subtracted from V and X only, and so on. You see, few values given for you. Equal values of Roman numeral and Hindu-Arabic numeral. 90 means XC. LX means 60. Triple X means 30. You need to remember. Write in Roman numerals 69. 69 we can write 60 plus 9. 60 means 50 plus 10. So LX. 9 means IX. So together you write LX, IX. We get 69. Hope you understand how to change Hindu-Arabic numeral to Roman numeral. You see 98. 98 we can write 90 plus 8. 90 can be written at 100 minus 10. So 90 is XC is 90. 80 is VIII. So together if you write XCVIII. Hope you got it. Right? The same way you can try these sums. You can do it yourself. You can write in Roman numerals. 73. 70 will be what? LXX. 70. Because 50 plus 20. And 3 means triple I. So easily you get answer L, X, X, I. Here you see L, triple X. L stands for 50, X for 10. So 50 plus 30. So answer is 80. In this question we get. So same way you can proceed and finish all the sums. Do it yourself. You have to write in Indo-Arabic numerals. Here Roman numerals are given. You have to change in Indo-Arabic numerals. Hope you learned the concept. How to use brackets, how to expand, and how to use Roman numerals. Right? Share this video to your friends. At the same time, for more videos, subscribe this channel. You can give your valuable comments too. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.